My people, not be small thing, not be small thing. Natasha don't carry this matter, come on for Nigeria, carry and come on for Africa. He don't take and go United Nations, UN, go complain. She said, unquote, I came with a heavy heart. How I was treated unjustly. How I was suspended for my freedom of expression. My people don't listen to Natasha. I tell you, I said this matter, it go long. This Natasha matter, Senator Natasha matter, it go long. Listen to what Natasha have to say here. Let's listen together.
I come with a heavy heart from Nigeria, but first I'd like to apologize to Honorable Kafila Obara. I am not here to bring shame to our country. I'm here to seek help for the women of Nigeria. Again, my name is Senator Natasha Akpabio. 5 days ago, on the 6th of March 2025, I was suspended. As a senator, I was suspended illegally because I submitted a petition of sexual harassment against the President of the Nigerian Senate, Senator Akpabio. I thought that by submitting the petition, he would recuse himself, and both of us will submit ourselves to the Committee on Ethics, Privileges and Public Petition for a fair and transparent investigation. But unfortunately, I was silenced and I was suspended. I was suspended for 6 months, amongst many other stringent conditions, such as taking away my security, taking away all the officials, vehicles, and other items that were handed over to me as a senator. My salaries will be cut off. I must not appear anywhere near the National Assembly. And for 6 months, I'm not to introduce myself or present myself as a senator locally in Nigeria or internationally. That means I'm here illegally, but I have no other place to go but to come here and speak to you women, because this is a bigger picture. This is a bigger picture. It depicts the crisis of women political representation. My suspension is not just about me. It's about the systemic exclusion of women from political leadership in Nigeria. Women make up 3.6% of political offices, and in the Senate, it's just 2.8. We have 109 men, and only 4 of us are women. So right now, it's 108 with only 3 women. This is a clear case of political victimization, punishment for speaking out against impunity, corruption, and gender-based violence. The United Nations Declaration 48/104 declares sexual harassment as a form of gender violence. The Senate's actions are an assault on democracy. I was elected by my constituents to represent them. Yet a few powerful men have unilaterally decided to silence their voices by suspending me for 6 months. My call for an open and transparent investigation into harassment allegations have been met with hostility instead of accountability. If a female senator can be treated this way in the full view of the world, imagine what ordinary Nigerian women will go through every day in workplaces, in universities.
Listen, I tell you, say, since Nigeria was created, our past and present leaders, all of them are satanic. In case you're not aware, even the present ones that are ruling us today, either in governor, in president, in senate, and whatever, blah, 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 many of them have ruled us before. These guys, what they are doing, they've joined their circle together, and they have been recycling themselves, ruling us since Nigeria was created. For example, Obasanjo ruled before and he ruled again. Buhari ruled before, he ruled again. Many of them. Then what about the ones that rule as governor? If they finish as governor, they go to Senate to retire. If they finish as governor for any state, they go to Senate to retire. What about Akpabio? All the allegation of criminality, corruption, sexualization, and everything against Akpabio before he become the Senate president. Wetin happen? If you join APC, your sins will be forgiven. According to my Edo State man, Comrade Adams Oshiomhole, he joined APC and he was forgiven. Now for this Natasha own, now they go know say not be everybody that they push. Natasha now don't go UN. Let's see what will come out of this. My people, I thought I should bring it to you, my people. Put it on the comment section. What's your take on this? I would like to hear from you, or rather read your comment. Thank you very much. This is NAIJA Watch Media. Press on the like button, help us to share, subscribe to our channel. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigeria time on our live broadcast. Take care and bye for now.